Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're on the lookout for a new smartphone that offers amazing features and performance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the C24 Ultra 5G smartphone, a device that promises to revolutionize your mobile experience. This phone packs a punch with its impressive 6,800 mAh battery, dual camera setup, and a powerful Snapdragon processor. So, without further ado, let's get into the details of what makes the C24 Ultra stand out in the crowded smartphone market. The C24 Ultra 5G is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse designed to enhance your everyday life. With a massive 6,800 mAh battery, this phone can easily last you through long workdays or road trips without needing a recharge. No more worrying about running out of battery during important moments. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or navigating through your apps, the C24 Ultra has your back with its huge power reserve. On the design front, the C24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch HD+ display that offers a stunning viewing experience. The phone's Android 13.0 operating system ensures a smooth and responsive interface, while the premium magnesium aluminum body and 2.5D curved edges make it comfortable and sleek. The phone is also equipped with advanced facial recognition and on-screen fingerprint unlock, giving you top-notch security. The real highlight of this device is its camera setup. With 48MP and 108MP dual cameras, the C24 Ultra allows you to capture incredible photos and videos in stunning clarity. Whether you're snapping landscape shots or capturing detailed close-ups, this phone ensures your pictures are sharp, vibrant, and rich in detail. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you can experience faster download speeds and lower latency, making it perfect for streaming and gaming on the go. Overall, the C24 Ultra 5G is a well-rounded device that offers exceptional performance at an affordable price. With its long-lasting battery, high-quality camera system, and robust design, this phone is perfect for anyone who demands the best in their mobile experience. And don't forget, it's unlocked and compatible with all major carriers, making it a versatile choice for anyone. So there you have it, the C24 Ultra 5G smartphone. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile experience. If you're ready to take the plunge, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews like this one. Let us know your thoughts on the C24 Ultra in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.